Hi, today I have a radio, but it's so much more than a radio. It's basically a computer for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 2013 through 2018. What's interesting is it comes with two faceplates for both manual and automatic air conditioner. And if you look at, I'm going to show you this. This is kind of like the before, and this is a 9-inch screen, and it's going to just really be really nice in your dashboard. This is with the manual AC, and then this is with the automatic, and it comes with both faceplates, which I think is really cool. And I've done reviews on these before, and what some of them just they don't label the wiring very good, but if you look closely in here, these wires are all labeled. But then it comes with some great documentation that shows you what all those wires are for. There's USB ports, a GPS cable. It even has an adapter for the antenna radio. It comes with a backup camera, so you can wire this in and bring it up forward to you'll have a backup camera. It even comes with a microphone. So if you want a little closer voice on there. And here is the GPS receiver. I mean, this thing comes with everything, and it documents everything. So it even comes with a little panel remover tool for you. It has everything you want. And then the unit itself is, of course, 9 inches, like I said. There's the mic, the reset, power on, home, return, volume up, volume down. It has a EQ in the software. It's an Android 13, if I didn't mention that earlier. There's your camera input. This is really an incredible device, and I'm very, very pleased with it. It's good and heavy. It feels a high quality. I really can. Oh, it also comes very well packaged. This is what that came in. So it's not going to come busted or anything. I think you'd be happy with this purchase. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.